The journey begins with premium quality wheat harvested at peak maturity. The harvested wheat is then transported to the Medikonda Nutrients processing facility, where each batch undergoes thorough quality inspection before entering production. The grains then undergo coarse grinding, producing a uniform flour suitable for upstream processing. The freshly milled flour is pneumatically conveyed to storage silos, ensuring a continuous and contamination-free production flow. Water is added to create a uniform slurry. The mixture passes through a jet cooker, where controlled heat initiates liquefaction, breaking down starch into a form ready for enzymatic processing. The liquefied slurry enters a high-efficiency separation system, where proteins and dietary fiber are separated from the carbohydrate-rich liquid stream. This purification step creates a cleaner carbohydrate solution for efficient saccharification and fermentation. Specialized food-grade enzymes convert liquefied starch into fermentable sugars under carefully controlled temperature, pH, and processing conditions. The saccharified liquid is transferred to holding tanks before entering seed fermenters, where selected microbial cultures are prepared to ensure a healthy and consistent fermentation. The carbohydrate-rich medium is transferred into commercial fermentation tanks, where Medikonda Nutrients proprietary probiotic strains are carefully inoculated. The culture is then fermented for 72 hours. After fermentation reaches its target, the culture is heat-treated to stop microbial activity. Biomass is then removed through advanced filtration, leaving a purified cultured liquid. The filtered liquid enters a vacuum evaporator, where excess moisture is gently removed at reduced temperatures, helping preserve product quality. The concentrated liquid is atomized inside a spray dryer, instantly transforming it into a fine, free-flowing cultured wheat flour powder with excellent stability. Each batch passes through metal detection and final quality checks before being hygienically packaged and prepared for global distribution. At Medikonda Nutrients, every stage, from raw material handling to precision fermentation and spray drying, is designed to deliver premium cultured wheat flour that meets stringent international quality standards. The result is MedPro fermented wheat flour, a premium clean label baking ingredient developed through controlled fermentation, designed to help extend freshness while maintaining product quality. Why MedPro? MedPro is a naturally fermented wheat flour that provides a clean label alternative to synthetic preservatives. It supports mold inhibition, helps extend shelf life, is yeast-friendly, and remains stable during baking up to 200 degrees Celsius. End-use applications. MedPro is ideal for a wide range of bakery and food applications, including bread, buns, rolls, pizza dough, tortillas, crackers, cookies, cakes, pasta, noodles, processed meats, condiments, and functional foods. Directions for use. MedPro is easy to use. Simply add it during the mixing stage. For optimal performance, plant-level trials are recommended to fine-tune the dosage based on product type, moisture, pH, and desired shelf life. Recommended dosage. For bakery and wheat-based products, use MedPro at 0.2% to 0.8% of the total flour weight. For bread, a dosage of 0.2% to 0.3% is typically recommended. Actual dosage may vary depending on the formulation and desired shelf life. Packaging and storage. MedPro is available in 25 kilogram bags with bulk and customized packaging options. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight for a shelf life of up to 24 months. MedPro is backed by warehouses in Los Angeles, Texas, and Florida for reliable U.S. supply. We welcome distributors and food ingredient partners to grow with us through dependable products, technical support, and manufacturer direct service. We are Medikonda Nutrients.